आज हम फिफ्थ क्लास का जो सेकंड चैप्टर हमने कवर किया उसको कंपटीशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें हम शेप्स को और एंगल्स को, उनकी टर्मिनोलॉजी को, उनके टाइप्स को पढ़ेंगे और देखेंगे कि कंपटीशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कौन कौन से फैक्ट्स निकल के आते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले जैसे मैंने बताया कि एक लाइन होती है, इस लाइन पे आपको दिख रहा होगा ये लाइन है जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही कोण है ए, जिसका दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। अब अगर हम बात करते हैं इस एंगल की तो इसमें दो कोण बनते हैं, एक इंटीरियर एक एक्सटीरियर, ए एंड बी। द सम ऑफ ए एंड बी दैट इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री। इसमें दो एंगल बनते हैं। चलिए अब हम बात कर लेते हैं ट्रायंगल की। ट्रायंगल में हमारे आपको दिख रहा है द सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स इन अ ट्रायंगल दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्रीज। तो ए प्लस बी प्लस सी दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। बात कर लेते हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल की। क्वाड्रिलेटरल में चार एंगल होते हैं, ए बी सी डी। क्वाड्रिलेटरल में जो सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स दैट इज इक्वल टू 360, देन इन पेंटागन एंड देन इन हेक्सागन। पेंटागन में the sum of all angles that is equal to 540 degree, sides are 5, and in hexagon sides are 6, and the sum of all the angles that is 720 degrees. Now we will discuss shapes in elaborate form. Shapes, as we know, made up of linear segments in organized manner. Two types, circle and the second one is polygon. Let's see polygon. Polygon composed of multiple sides or more than two sides. The types are two. One is the regular polygon and second one is irregular polygon. In regular one, angles and sides are equal, but in irregular it is not. The formula for sum of all the angles is 180 degree and minus 2. इसको थोड़ा वेरीफाई कर लेते हैं। जैसे मेरे पास 4 sides हैं, formula is 180 degree n is the number of sides, 4 minus 2, 180 into 2 equal to 360. It means the quadrilateral, as we have discussed, the sum of all the internal angles are 360 degrees. Let's move further. The types of polygon, before studying types of polygons, there is a terminology associated with it. As we know, polygon have the sides. The associated term is adjacent sides. Similarly, vertex, associated term is adjacent vertex. Let's see, this is a triangle. Side, this is side and this is side. Vertex, this is vertex, this is and that one. Now, let's see the types of triangle. As we know, the triangle have three sides and the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. As we know, the types we bifurcate into two on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. First one, let's see on the basis of sides. Number one, equilateral, sum of all the angles, sum of all the sides, all the sides are equal. Isosceles, two sides are equal, and the third one is scalene, that is unequal sides triangle. No side is equal. Equilateral, all the three sides equal. Isosceles, two sides are equal. But in scalene, no side is equal. This is different, and that is different. Let's move to the next. On the basis of angle, there are four types. Acute angle. Acute angle means all the angles are less than 90 degrees. 60 degree, 60 degree, and this is 60 degree. The second one is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Obtuse triangle. In obtuse triangle, one angle is more than 90. In equiangular triangle, all the angles are equal. Like here, 60, 60, and this is also 60 degree. Now let's move to the quadrilateral. There are four sides in quadrilateral, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four angles, angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. and 4 vertices. The 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The types are, number 1, the parallelogram. In parallelogram, two opposite sides are parallel. Similarly, the sides opposite are equal. This one and this one is equal as well as parallel. The diagonals bisect each other. The second shape is square. In square, all the angles are right angled, sides are equal and parallel to each other. Diagonals are equal and bisects at 90 degrees. The third is the rhombus. In rhombus, sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect each other at a right angle. This is a 90 degrees. The third one is your trapezium. In trapezium, as you see, this is the figure in which only two sides are parallel, other two are not. The fifth one is the shape of kite. As you see, these are the two adjacent sides and these are another two adjacent sides. The diagonal, these are equal and diagonal bisect at a right angle. Now let's move to the other figures like composed of 5 sides, that is pentagon, composed of 6 sides, that is hexagon, heptagon, octagon and nonagon. Now let's move to the second term of shapes, that is circle, as we discussed in the few minutes back. Term associated, the terminologies are, number 1, the center, radius, diameter, arc, circumference, chord and semicircle. Let's see, this is the center. The center is the point equidistant from the circle circumference. Now let's see what is the radius. Radius is the linear distance, a line between the center and any point on the boundary of the circle. The third one is the diameter. Diameter is double of the radius and this is composed of a line joining 2 points on the boundary of the circle. Diameter is the biggest chord. The third one is arc. Arc is any segment having two distinct points. This is the chord. Chord is the linear 2 points composed of a line. This is the line and this is the chord. What about the circumference? Circumference is the total boundary, the distance covering the boundary, that is equal to circumference. And let's see what is the semicircle. Semicircle, if you cut the circle into two parts, it will become the semicircle. You should know that diameter is double than radius and vice versa. Radius is half of the diameter. There are the two formulas. You should be acquainted with these two. Number 1, the area of the circle, that is equal to pi r square, and the circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r, where this symbol is known as pi and its value is 22/7 in fractions and 3.14 approximately in decimals. Angles is the shape formed between the two line segments. There is a common point. The terminology is, what is the vertex? It is the vertex, the common point. This is the initial position and that is the final position. And the distance covered by this arm when it reaches here, that is called the angle. Now let's discuss the types of angles. In types of angles, there are different types of angle. Number 1, degree of measurement की अगर हम बात करें तो zero angle. Zero angle is AOB is zero angle, that its value is 0. What about the acute angle? Acute angle, that is less than 90 degrees but more than 0 degrees, that is termed as acute angle. Right angle, in right angle more than, the right angle is equal to 90 degrees. What about the obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is more than 90 but less than 180 degrees. Let's come to the straight angle. In straight angle, the value is 180 degrees. Similarly, reflex angle, the value is more than 180 but less than 360. What about the complete angle? In complete angle, the value is 360 degrees. Other types of angle are two. Number one, the adjacent angles. These are the adjacent angles. B and A, they are adjacent to each other. That's why they are called adjacent angle. The second one is the complementary. The third one is supplementary. What about the complementary? The sum of angles, if equal to 90 degree, it is complementary. What about the supplementary? If A and B are the angles and their sum is 180 degree, then these are supplementary angles. What about vertically opposite? 1 and 2, they are vertically opposite to each other. 3 and 4, the same thing. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4 are the vertically opposite angles. You have seen many activities in your daily life. You are acquainted with the angles and the shapes, like cycle, like wheel of your cycle, like cloak, like various type of table, book. These are different shapes and there are different types of angles associated with these shapes. So try to find out from your daily life and apply them, learn from them. And we will meet again in the third chapter video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.